Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to dive into the AI toolset that is seriously changing the game for developers. We're going to break down the key features that help you get your time back, slash the frustration, and really focus on what you do best, building amazing software.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You spend more time wrestling with a clunky setup, digging for some obscure command, or just trying to get your environment to work than you do actually writing code. The real goal isn't just to write code, it's to get into that state of flow. So we're going to explore how the right AI tools can actually get you there, pushing past all that friction and into a place of seamless, focused productivity.
So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to start with the right mindset, then move to setting up a truly smart project. From there, we'll see how to upgrade your daily workflow, tackle those really hard problems, and finally, see how all those individual wins scale up to your entire team.
All right, let's kick things off. Look, modern software development is insanely complex. You're juggling languages, frameworks, cloud infrastructure, you name it. Your tools should be your partner in crime, making all that complexity simpler, not adding another layer to fight with.
Okay, let's get into it. A great project always starts with a great setup. Before you even think about writing a single line of business logic, you've got to establish the ground rules. And this isn't just about preventing chaos later on. It's about teaching your AI partner how to be a valuable, productive member of your team right from day one.
These 4 steps right here are your foundation. First up, CLAUDE.md. Think of this as the constitution for your project. You define the non-negotiable rules here. Things like all API endpoints have to be RESTful, or always use TypeScript for new front-end work. Second, you grant permissions, making sure the AI only touches the tools and files it's supposed to. Third, you define reusable skills. These are like saved recipes for common tasks like running your test suite or scaffolding a new component. And fourth, hooks lets you automate scripts at key moments. Put them all together and you get a smart, consistent, and really secure dev environment.
Okay, so let's move on and see how this all plugs into your daily grind. With that solid foundation in place, we can now look at the features that just turbocharge all those small, repetitive tasks you do 100 times a day. This is all about eliminating the boilerplate and saving your brain power for the real problems.
So the difference here is just massive. The old way meant manually running scripts, digging through menus. It was a slog. Now, with slash commands, you can create instant shortcuts for literally anything, like /test or /deploy. Instead of hunting around for integrations, you've got plugins that connect directly to things like Jira or your own internal databases, bringing all that power right into your workflow.
This line really gets to the heart of a feature called plan mode. This is so important. It's not about an AI just blindly going off and making changes. It's a partnership. The tool actually shows you a step-by-step plan of exactly what it's about to do, and you get the final say. It's a critical safety check that keeps you, the developer, in the driver's seat.
Now, this is absolutely crucial for getting good results. If that CLA.md file gives the AI its long-term memory for the project, then /context provides its short-term focus. An AI's attention isn't infinite, right? The /context command lets you be the director. You can tell it, hey, for this task, I only want you to look at these specific files, or this database schema, or this API doc. That precision stops it from getting confused and makes sure the help you get is super relevant.
All right, now we're getting to the heavy hitters. We've talked about the daily tasks, but what about those marathon coding sessions? You know, the complex refactors, the deep bug hunts, the features that take days, not hours. These next tools are designed to be your safety net and your force multiplier for those really high-stakes moments.
Oh man, every developer listening knows this feeling deep in their soul. You're 4 hours in, totally in the zone, you've touched a dozen files, and then you run the tests and see just a sea of red. And you get that sinking feeling when you realize you took a wrong turn 2 hours ago, and the idea of manually undoing all that work is just soul-crushing.
This is your escape hatch from that panic moment. Checkpoints are basically automatic, intelligent snapshots of your project. As you're working with your AI partner, it's quietly saving working versions of your code base in the background. It's like a super smart autosave for your entire project, leaving you a trail of breadcrumbs to get back to safety if you get lost.
And this is the magic. Instead of a frantic and scary git reset, you can just look at your history of checkpoints and with one click, revert to the last known good state. It completely removes the fear of experimenting and making big changes because you always know you have a time machine.
Okay, here's another huge challenge with those big, complex tasks.
Your chat history with the AI can get ridiculously long. This not only makes it hard to keep track of, but it burns through a ton of expensive tokens. You can think of tokens as the currency the model uses to think. The more you use, the more it costs, and the harder it is for the AI to remember what was important at the beginning of the conversation.
So a long, rambling conversation can easily balloon to something like 100,000 tokens. That's a massive amount of information for both you and the AI to process, and yeah, it comes with a real cost.
But with a feature called Compaction, that exact same conversation, with all its essential context, can be intelligently squashed down to a tiny fraction of the size. It works by summarizing the history. It keeps all the critical decisions and code snippets, but gets rid of the conversational fluff. It saves a ton of tokens and keeps the AI laser-focused on what you need right now.
And then, for the truly gigantic jobs, you have subagents. The best way to think about this is that you become a project manager for a whole team of AIs. You can take a huge task, like, say, migrating an entire legacy database, break it into smaller pieces, and then assign a separate AI agent to work on each piece at the same time, in parallel. It is the ultimate way to divide and conquer complexity.
So let's zoom out for a minute. We've talked a lot about individual productivity, and that's awesome. But the real magic happens when these personal gains start to compound across your entire dev team. Let's connect the dots from these features to the bigger picture, your team's overall performance.
The takeaway here is really clear. A smart project setup means one new developer gets up to speed faster, but it also means the entire code base stays consistent for everyone. A streamlined daily workflow saves one person from boring work, but it means the whole team is using standardized, efficient tooling. And safer tools for complex tasks reduce risk for one person, which leads to faster, more reliable project delivery for the whole organization.
And that really leaves us with one final thought. As these incredibly powerful tools stop feeling like a cool new thing and just become a natural part of how you work, they don't just make you faster at the stuff you're already doing, they actually change the scope of what you can even try to build. So the real question is, with this new level of efficiency, what new, bigger, more ambitious projects will you build